Okay, and now this is my engine. It is in here, it is in this workbench, and now when this engine is in this workbench, we can see that what is this workbench purpose. This purpose is that I can now rotate and move this engine really easily, and then I can also, when I take this locking bolt in that position away, I can rotate this engine in different positions. And this is this thing that why this workbench is so useful. Okay, thank you. Okay, and now I am changing this view, and now when I rotate that, we can see in that direction in here those oil tubes, and we should look these parts in this area, and then we can see those better. Okay, now we are in this another direction, and now when I rotate that little bit, we can see that there these parts in here, those are those tubes, and let's look